Good day everyone, I'm here to introduce you one of the most beautiful spot in Manhuyod. It's called Handig. This place is located in Barangay Tubod, Manhuyod, Negros Oriental. The Handig is one of the most beautiful places here in Manhuyod. If you want to go here in Handig, you need to ride a motorcycle, or we called it here habal-habal. If you're here already in Manhuyod, the Handig is a good spot for camping because you can appreciate the time of your rest. It has a peaceful place, especially in the night. Also, you can do any activities here like campfire, drink, and jamming.